Distributed computing environment. Myself Sunil Kumar Khichi, Assistant Professor Engineering College Mir. Today I teach distributed computing environment. Is an architecture defined by the open software foundations to provide an open system platforms to address the challenges of distributed computing. A distributed environment is chosen for various applications where the data is generated locations and needs to be available locally most of the time. The data and software processing is distributed, reduce the impact of any particular site or hardware. Basic DCE basic vendor independent distributed computing environment not on or an applications an integrated set of services and tools that can be installed as a coherent environment on the top of the existing operating system. Server a platform for building running distributed applications. Layers application होती है operating system, computer hardware, DC applications, DC software, operating systems. Middleware software layer DCE conceals difference between machines and provides transparency. Blend of technology component, thread package, DC blend ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज. कौन कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी होती है? कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, थ्रेड्स पैकेज, आरपीसी फैसिलिटीज़, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टाइम सर्विस, नेम सर्विस, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड फाइल सर्विसेज, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज. DCE cells group of users, machines or other resources having a common purpose and share common DC services help to break down a large system into manageable units. Minimum configuration: cell, directory server, security server, distributed time server, one or more client server. Factor 4 boundaries. Factor 4 cell boundaries. First one is purpose, administration, security on our overhead. Threads in DCE fundamental building blocks onto operating system plus DC components run mainly in huge space. Thread package collection of huge user level library resources that allow process to manipulate threads. Problems with threads. Problem first, signals. Synchronous memory evaluation handled by current thread. Asynchronous external given to thread waiting for. Problems in threads. Problem second, standard library. If allocation memory and threads switched in constraint data solution jackets around some library procedures read for our jacket text. Problem थर्ड प्रॉब्लम क्या है? एरर नंबर. System calls returned with the error number. If one makes call but just after completion another scheduled error number gets overwritten. Solution: thread specific version of error saved and restored. Fourth, scheduling. Similar to scheduling process, threads in DCE have priorities. DCE has 3 scheduling algorithms: FIFO, round robin or default. Synchronizations. Mutex used when it is essential to prevent the multiple threads from accessing the same resources at the same time. For example, moving through a linked list. Fast mutex analogs to a block. Recursive mutex, a subroutine also wants to log it is granted. Attempt to log at a mutex that is already logged returns an error. Condition variables. Conjunction with mutex. RPC. DC based on client server models. RPC systems makes it possible for a systems to access a remote system by simply calling a remote procedures. RPC hides details from clients, handles message transports in both directions. As a result, client and server are highly independent. RPC interface defines server location done in steps to location server machines, location correct machines on that machines. Security in DCE. A security instructions that provide authorization, authentication, encryption at application selectable levels. Center security database. Main components. DC distributed file systems derived from the Android file systems uses threads to handle multiple file access requested simplicity and RPC for client server and directory service. File model unstructured one file and condition 2 to power 42 bytes. File system models files, directories, file sets and aggregate. One disk partition has been aggregated. Thank you. Thanks.